a red rose, please, and I will sing my sweetest song to you.
My roses are red as the feet of the doves, and redder than the great founts of coral. But the winter's too long. The frost has nipped my buds, and the storm has broken my branches, and now I shall have no roses at all this year.
Only one red rose is all that I want. Only one red rose. Is there no way by which I can get it?
There is a way, but it is so terrible that I dare not tell it to you.
Tell it to me. I'm not afraid.
If you want a rose, you must fill it out of music by the moonlight, and sing it with your own heart's blood. You must sing to me with your breast against the song all night long. You must sing to me, and your lifeblood must flow into my veins and become mine.
Death is a great price to pay for a red rose, and life is dear to all. Yet love is better than life. And what is a heart of a bird can compare to a heart of a man?
Well, guess there's still true love in this world, and I will prove you wrong. How? By turning my flowers into jewels. What magnificent jewels! With such jewels, I could win the heart of any girl in the world. Roses or jewels? We'll see it.
Oh, I guess I can never get my lover's heart. Without a red rose, I shall never be happy.
Be happy. You shall be happy. You will have your red rose. I will build it out of the music by the moonlight and stand it with my own heart's blood. All that I ask of you in return is that you will be a true lover.
Sing me one last song, little bird. I will miss you.
All right.
Memory, all alone in the moonlight, I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory stay again.
She has form that cannot be denied. But has she got feeling? I'm afraid not. In fact, she's my most artist. She's all style without any sincerity. pretty name. My dear, you say you would dance with me if I brush your rose. Here is the reddish rose in gold. You will wear it tonight near your heart, and as we dance, it will tell you how I love you.